Okay, so welcome back to the channel everyone, and in this video I'm going to be assembling this baby cot that's arrived, so now we're starting to put some furniture into the nursery. Okay, so we've got a baby cot from Obaby, and it comes in 3 large packages. The 2 packages are the cot, and that transforms into a bed and it takes the baby up to 4 years old. And then we've got this smaller package which is the changing table, which sits on top of the cot, which is an optional extra. Okay, let's start by opening the larger 2 packages for the cot. Feels like it's made out of MDF. Got the Obaby logo there. I think that's the face of a drawer that goes under the cot. I'm guessing this is the base. This must be a side rail. Be another side rail. Got a plastic bit on top here. Stops the baby tuning. And that's everything that's in the first box. Okay, so that's one of the boxes open. Now I'm going to open box 2. So we've got the instruction manual, that's good. Hardware, I'm guessing that's the screws. And that's everything in this box then. Right, the next step is to read the instruction manual and to work out how to assemble all this. Okay, let's have a look at the hardware and sort out the screws. Well, that's really handy, they've already sorted it out into pockets for you. Normally with the IKEA stuff I'm always sorting it out separately. So that makes it a lot easier. Alright, so step 1. Stage 1. A and A. That's neat as well, all the pieces are assembled by Allen key, which they provide, so you don't need any other tools. First bit is 2 sides, A and A, and then we need B. So 2 sides are these. One end. Maybe you could hold that.
It's not shorter than I thought it would be.
Extend upwards, don't they? like that.
Cool. It's extra storage.
We've assembled the cot, now we've just got to do the platform on top for baby changing. And have a rest. Okay, so now we've just got to assemble the cot top changer. So let's open it up. And this mounts on here. Does it go that way?
Yeah.
We take it off when it's sleeping.
Yeah. It's good for the first little while because we won't use the crib for like 3 months.
Yeah. Do?
Well done.
Okay, so Lauren and I have finished assembling the Obaby cot. We've just assembled the changing table which rests on top there. That's removable, it just pulls off. Now we've just got to order the mattress and the changing mat. That's the cot pretty much done. The cot does come with 2 extra spare pieces of wood for the side, so as your baby grows you can get rid of these sort of cage bars and then you can turn it into a bed. So you just put these bits on the side, these sort of spare bits, and then it turns into a bed. So this is the finished cot. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe to the channel.